Checking out as a tax-exempt organization has never been easier. In this video, I'll walk you through how to upload your tax-exempt certificate during checkout at MWComponents.com. Whether you're placing your first order or a repeat purchase, you can quickly apply your tax-exempt status right from your cart. No need to delay your order. Once your cart is ready for checkout, you can click Checkout to proceed. And the next page is where you'll be entering your shipping information, your shipping method, and the following field is where you'll enter your tax exempt. You'll select this box that says my organization is tax exempt, and from there you'll upload your file below. After uploading the file, you can simply click Submit Order. Your tax-exempt information will be sent to our team for verification, but you're all set for a seamless checkout experience. Thank you.